Hi, welcome to Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues. So, I got an email from a lady. She asked me if we'd do a product endorsement, first one we've done with Cooking with the Blues. The other part, I had a little bit of a chest cold, but almost coffee press. So she asked if she sent me one, if I use it in a recipe or two. And I said, sure, send me one. So a couple weeks later, she said, well, I'm sorry, but we ran out at our warehouse. Would you go ahead and order one on Amazon and we'll reimburse you? And I said, all these scams going around. I said, nah, forget it. So then another 3 weeks later, it shows up. It's a beauty, you know. Somebody's more, and it's pretty well built. And you know, the real expensive ones go for, you know, 30, 40 bucks. I don't know what this retails for. I'm going to find out, but I think it's like 15 bucks. You go look up online for it. Pretty well built. So, you know, so the first recipe we're going to do is espresso dark chocolate bread pudding. So I've got the Lavazza espresso coffee, my favorite. It says actually to use a not so fine ground, but that's what I had ground up, so that's what we're going to use. So while the water's boiling, I'm going to start I got the diced bread. It's an Italian bread. It's got a little bit of semolina on it. That won't hurt us. Got the Ghirardelli chocolate. Ghirardelli 60%, so it's kind of semi-sweet. So we're going to go 2 of these, 2 cups. We'll go about 3/4 of a quart. Let that melt all down. When we make an espresso, I'm going to pour that in. We'll do 8 eggs. We'll do 7 eggs. We'll do 2 cups of sugar, a little less than 2 cups. Whip these real good, incorporate it with the sugar. Okay, I'm going to get my butter melted here. Okay, so we're going to butter the molds, and then I just coat it with sugar. Okay, so then we have our chocolate melting with the heavy cream. So my water's boiling for the coffee. We're going to make the espresso. We want it extra strong. A little bit more. Beautiful espresso. Look at that, nice. Mix that with the chocolate. Make sure all the chocolate's melted. Add the rest of the espresso. Okay. Okay, now we're going to temper it into the eggs and sugar mixture at a little bit at a time. So we don't want to cook, scramble the egg. Always scrape. Too good to waste. Thank you very much. All right, brother. See you, Mike. Okay, so gonna mix a little bit in. We don't want to add too much. It'll sog out the bread. We like to keep it kind of on the drier side. Steve, you come and grab that box for that espresso. Steve, you got a big serving spoon there? I use one of my kitchen spoons here. Okay. Okay, we'll fill these up and we'll be right back. What I do is I go a little bit over the top. Let it soak down in there. Okay, in the oven for about, I think about 20 minutes. And at 3, have it at 3 1/4. Be back. And I didn't put a water bath in there because I like water bath sometimes. It doesn't get hot on the outside. I like that little crispness on the side when it's without the water bath. Welcome to Daddy Jack's Cool with the Blues. We have our chocolate espresso bread pudding in the oven. So here's a nice lady sent me this. Said, hey, can we do a couple recipes with it? So we did an espresso amaretto chicken. We did an espresso dark chocolate bread pudding. So what I'm going to do, then we get an espresso. Could you give me just a little shot of Kahlua? And so anyway, here's the principle. I didn't make. We got espresso left over from the last recipe. Beautiful little unit. Go online. Almost, I think she said Amazon carries it. So, but I'm going to make a sabayon, espresso Kahlua sabayon for our bread pudding. So, got two egg yolks. Hey Ben, pass me that sugar. And a small whip. Thank you. So it'll go like that Kahlua. The Kahlua is gonna be kind of sweet. So, but then again, we had the espresso's bitter a little bit. So here we go. With the Kahlua. Save that little bit extra we got for our coffee. We'll take a little bit of this water out of here. Okay, see the sabayon egg sauce, whatever liqueur you want to use, and delicious. Yeah, right about the consistency we want it. Shut the fire down. Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, let's check out our bread pudding now. Now this usually we need to set it up. So this is going to be, warm right out of the oven. Normally we let it set up a little bit. Oh, do-si-do, and away we go. So we're going to take our Kahlua sabayon. Okay. Hey Rachel, andiamo. I'm not really Italian, but it sounds good, right, Glenn?
Yeah, it sounds real good.
What does that actually mean? I think that means I love you. I'm pretty sure it does.
No, it says get here
It
quick.
doesn't mean come here, does it?
Let's just get here quick.
Oh wow. I like that light on the whipped cream.
Hey, go big or stay home. Right?
I wanted to stay home, but wow.
So this is a espresso made with
We'll get your thumb out of the way.
right here, the beautiful espresso pot. Hey, whoever wants it, give us the best excuse, or no,
Reason?
best reason why we're gonna ship it to you. We'll ship it to you.
With the remaining coffee in it.
No, we'll clean it up first.
Okay, alright.
And so this Daddy Jack's Go with Blues. Let's check it out, Rach.
Okay. Okay.
So anyway, it's a
Anyway.
espresso dark chocolate bread pudding with a Kahlua espresso sabayon.
Okay. That's nice. Wow.
Wow.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but one of your best.
Ben, you want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Come over here, buddy.
Yeah. You can even have your own spoon. Glenn, you wouldn't like this though. Oh my.
Come on, Ben, get another one.
Alright, get another one.
It's a good one.
Wow.
I think we owe it all to this little number right here.
This little beauty.
Ben, do you think I put too much whipped cream on there?
No, I think that's a good amount.
Really?
Yeah.
I felt like it was a little heavy on the whipped cream, but
What, you gonna want some?
No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm watching my girlish figure.
good, as you should.
Take it, Ben.
Alright.
Take it away.
Oh, man. How'd I do, Ray?
10. 10 out of 10.
Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues here. We hope you enjoyed everything. Glenn, out there on camera. My baby girl Rachel, my oldest baby girl Rachel. Yeah, we saved it to the end. Somebody said make sure Rachel's in all the ends of your videos so people are sure to watch it to the end.
I like that.
Peace.
Okay.